Hello students, good morning all. From today we are going to start a second term syllabus. From this syllabus, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 12, what if it finishes. So let's see what chapter said. A bus journey. So in this chapter there are some students going on a school trip to the Adalaj Stepwell, means Baudi. So about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. First of all, we will see where is Ahmedabad in our India's map. This is the map of India, and in yellow color there is Gujarat, and Ahmedabad is the capital of Gujarat. You can see in the picture. Okay. So let's see what happened next. There are students. The students began counting the vehicles on the road. So some of them counted the bicycles, others are counted the buses, cars and motorcycles. Abraham, who was counting bicycles, soon got bored because there were hardly any bicycle on this highway. Then street, the driver suddenly braked at the red light. It was a big crossing and they could see the traffic lined up on all sides. Honk honk, the sound of loud horns and smoke coming out of the vehicles. So maybe that is why a little boy in a rickshaw was coughing so much. Then Abraham smelt something familiar. He remembered this smell. It came from his Baba's tractor in the village. So you can see in the picture there are so many vehicles stopped at the signals, and all vehicles are starting because the and there are so many smoke coming out of the vehicles. It is the signal. When the red signal is come, then vehicles are have to stop at that signal. Then on the petrol pump, after some time their bus stopped at a petrol pump. There was a long queue. It seemed as if they would have a long wait. They all got down from the bus and started looking around the petrol pump, and they saw many large boards and posters. This is the poster they saw. In that poster there are some lines are written. Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. Make every drop go a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. So they could not understand why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever. They thought of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. So all students are asking to the uncle who works at the petrol pump, and the uncle tell them some points related to the petrol. From deep, the petrol got from deep down under the ground, and the petrol, it is formed naturally but very slowly. It is not made by a human being or a machine. It is not found everywhere but only at a few places in a country. We need big machines to pump it out and clean it. It does not get made as fast as we take it out. It takes lakhs of years for it to be formed under the earth. Then not only petrol, diesel, CNG, LPG, oil, that all comes from the earth, below the earth. So it is also limited. So we will see how petroleum is made. You can see in the first picture there is ocean, and so many small marine organisms are lived in the ocean. After death of these animals and some small grass and plants, the dead body of these animals are going down to the ocean, and then that organisms turn into oil and natural gas. It does not get made as fast as we take it out. It takes lakhs of years for it to be formed under the earth. After that, we make a big hole under the ocean and pumped out the oil from big machineries. You can see in the picture there are so many big machineries are pumped out the oil. So it is not easy to find out where oil is deep down below the earth. So scientists use special techniques and machines to find this out. Then through pipes and machines, petroleum is pumped up. This oil is a smelly, thick, dark colored liquid. You can see in the picture. It contains many things mixed in it. To clean and separate this, it is sent to a refinery. Then it is from this petroleum or oil that we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil and fuel for aircrafts. Now LPG, cooking gas, also wax, coal tar and grease are also obtained from this. So it is also used in making several other things like plastics and paints also. So how we can save the petrol and diesel? We have to switch off the engines at the signal, use public transportation like bus, metro train and use carpool. Carpool means sharing of car seats by colleagues of same office. In cities, we use LPG gas for cooking, but in villages, wood used for chula. So, we'll see wood for chula. Now, Durga lives in a village in Haryana. Every day she spends many hours collecting wood for the chula, means stove. So, her daughter also helped her in this. So, for the past 3 months, she has a cough. There is a lot of smoke when damp wood is burnt. But Durga does not have any other option. When there is not enough money to buy food, where will there be money to buy wood? So you can see the Durga and her daughter collect wood for their daily needs, because if they didn't get the wood, they did not make food for that day. Today, about two-thirds people in our country use uple, wood and dry twigs, etc. So these are used not only for cooking food but also for keeping warm, for heating water and for lighting. Many other things are used for all activities at home: kerosene, LPG, coal, electricity and etc. So this is the end of the chapter. We will see question and answers in a next video.